So there's lots of great videos on YouTube about how to sharpen a chisel. I've actually just bought a new grinder. I've been in the market for a new one for a while, trying to find something used. Haven't managed to find one, and I came across this at my local hardware store. And it was definitely the right price. It was a really, really good bargain. So when I got it back to the shop, I set it up and I grabbed some chisels and just ground them, and then thought, you know what, this might be of interest to some people. So I thought I'd just show you quickly how I go about sharpening my chisels. It's something I do fairly regularly, I guess, when I'm doing a lot of stuff where I'm chiseling stuff by hand. But it always is something that I try and do pretty quickly. It shouldn't take a lot of time. This is how I go about it. I've just got some blocks of wood here that sort of hold these in on the bench, because if anyone, for any of you guys that have followed me for a while, you'll know my workshop is pretty small. I've gone to a diamond stone. These are like diamond, industrial diamond on a metal backing. These are a DMT, and I'm using here the finest one. I've ground my chisel, done a hollow grind on the chisel, if you can see that. I would say the most important thing to do for me to look out for when I'm sharpening is to make sure that I don't get the chisel too hot when I'm grinding. That's probably the most important thing. Try and keep it pretty square, obviously, but keep your wheels dressed nice and square and clean so that it does cut cleanly, because if the wheel is dirty, it will heat up a lot more. So dress it regularly. Then once I've got that grind, that hollow, shoot. Oh dear. Lucky I just bought new Band-Aids. Shit. Okay, back with a brand new Band-Aid. Yeah, so too busy talking and not concentrating here. Basically, I want to make sure that I keep the steel nice and cool, and I can do that by dipping it in water, obviously, too. But from there, all I'm going to do is find the flat part, give it a little bit of a go on the diamond stone, to get a nice burr on that, and I can actually see that burr because I've got my safety glasses on. I'm then going to do it flat. Give it one more go there, and that's that. I think this is, I don't actually remember, it's been that long since I bought this stone. This is a water stone, Japanese water stone. And I'm going to say the fine side is 4,000. I don't know. It's pretty fine. So this will give me a nice mirror finish, if you like, on the metal. Excuse me. I should do it with a bit of lubricant, but this works in a pinch. So should have actually, have I got a, yes I do, I don't have a leather strop here, it's upstairs, so hence me doing this, which may or may not be something everyone wants to try, but basically all I'm doing is getting rid of the very fine metal burr And that's that. So that's sharp enough to shave with, yeah, sort of good enough to, well, not really, I don't know. Point is, it's that fast, right? Like it really shouldn't take very long at all to sharpen a chisel and get back to work. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Watching me slice my finger open, and we'll see you in the next video.